In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. By the end, you'll know how to add text to your page, apply a motion effect, and fine-tune it so it looks clean, professional, and perfectly timed with the rest of your content. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. The process is essentially the same in both versions, and you'll find the animation tools in the main toolbar at the top. Having your page layout in mind helps here, so think about where you want the animated text to appear and what purpose it serves: headline, callout, or a small caption. Next, add your text. Click the Add button, then choose Text, and insert a text element onto your page. You can drag it into position and resize it so it fits your design. Pick a clear font and a size that's easy to read. If it's a headline, keep the wording short and impactful. If it's body text, make sure the line length isn't too wide so the animation remains readable. With your text element selected, look to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel where you'll set everything up. You'll immediately see a collection of pre-made effects like fade, slide, and bounce. Each one has a distinct feel. Fade is subtle and elegant, slide brings the text in from a direction for a more dynamic entrance, and bounce adds energy with a playful motion. Choose the style that matches your brand tone and the mood of the page. If you want a bit more control, customize the effect. This is where the fine-tuning happens. Duration controls how long the animation lasts. Shorter durations feel snappy, while longer ones feel smoother and more cinematic. As a general guideline, around half a second to 1 second works well for most text, long enough to notice, but not so slow that it stalls the flow. Delay determines when the animation starts relative to the page load or when the element becomes visible. A small delay can help stagger multiple elements so they don't compete for attention. Use it to guide the viewer's eye through your layout in a natural order. Direction sets where the movement comes from or the path it follows. For slides, that might be left, right, up, or down. For other effects, it defines the motion's angle or origin. Align the direction with your layout. Text near the left edge often looks good sliding in from the left, while center headlines can fade or gently rise into place. And that's it. You've added text, chosen an effect, and tailored the timing and direction so it feels intentional and polished. Experiment within these settings to match your site's style, and your text will animate smoothly without distracting from your message.